Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing a baseline. Book an eye exam now, because objective measures guide everything you do next. While waiting, change your environment. Raise ambient light to roughly 500-1000 lux for tasks and cut screen glare so your eyes aren't straining. Then, begin the 20-20-20 habit immediately. Every 20 minutes shift focus to something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This reduces accommodative fatigue and prepares your eyes for the follow-up training and nutrition steps. Once you have test results and a plan, combine targeted exercises with diet adjustments. Perform focus shift drills, near-to-far reading, pencil push-ups, and palming in 3 sets twice daily to improve flexibility and reduce eye strain. Make nutrition a habit. Add omega-3s and 10-20 mg lutein with zeaxanthin and drink 30-40 ounces of water daily to support retinal health. Use prescribed lenses when needed, and slowly add guided vision training apps. Progress gradually so your visual system adapts without overloading. To finish, consolidate gains and verify progress. Schedule a retest at 6-8 weeks to compare acuity and symptom changes and continue the habits that produced improvement. If you experience sudden vision loss, pain, flashes, or worsening acuity, contact your eye care professional immediately rather than pushing through. Urgent evaluation is essential. If progress stalls, tweak your routine, add more rest breaks, modify exercise intensity, or change supplements under guidance, and then reassess to keep moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.